Hey, does your animation look like this? Or this? I know how to fix it, and I'm going to show you how to get hundreds of free animations from Mixamo, import them into Roblox Studio, and make them work perfectly with your R15 characters. Let's do this! Alright, first thing first, we need our animation. I've prepared a free R15 rig that you can use directly in Mixamo. Just join our Discord, links in the description to grab it and follow along step by step. We will head into Mixamo to find a clean, powerful hook animation that we can adapt for Roblox. Go to mixamo.com, here you need to log in and then you will see these two buttons. You have browse characters and browse animations. In our case we need browse animation. Go to this page, here you can search and we are going to search for hook animation. You will see a few options, choose one that looks dynamic but control. I will select this one, but we need to adapt this animation for our R15. So first we need to upload our character. Click this upload character button and select rig that I shared in Discord. And once it's uploaded, you will see this animation applied to R15. Clicked next. And now you can see this animation adapted for R15. And that's all we need from Mixamo. Again, you can use any animation they have here. They have a pretty huge list of different animations, so feel free to explore it. And now we need to download this animation. Click download button. We can use without skin option here. Format should be FBX. Again, you can adapt frames, but I would like to leave the default settings. And then I need to click download to download the animation. That's our animation locked and loaded. Next we are heading into Blender to clean it up. We just need to make a small tweak to this animation so it can be automatically imported to Roblox Studio. Okay, now this is the key step that makes everything work correctly inside Roblox. When Mixamo exports an animation, it applies some hidden transformation to the base of the skeleton, especially to the root bone. When Roblox imported, those animations get interpreted incorrectly and your animation might look off. The whole rig can slide, twist or move weirdly. So here's how we fix it. Open Blender and import the FBX you just downloaded from Mixamo. I'm going to clean up this default project, just drop this cube. And I need to import file, import FBX and select the file that we just exported from Mixamo. So as you can see, here is our animation. You can press space to see how it works. I'm going to change the number of frames. You can do the same here to be 35. And now by pressing space, you can loop this animation to see how it looks like. And now, as I said, we need to tweak a little bit this animation before we load it to Roblox. Select this animation, then you need to select this type of mode where you can see graph, this graph editor, select it. And now you can see your animation and elements of this armature. So select the root one, expand it. All you need to do is just to drop this X, Y, and Z location transformations, right click and delete channels, or just press delete button. So once you delete it, that's it. All you need to do now is to export this back to FBX. So click export, make sure your armature is selected, file, export, FBX, and let's name it right hook fixed. In the options here, it's also important to select object type or only armature, and also you need to uncheck this add leaf bones, and Then you can click Export FBX. And that's it, your animation is now clean and fully Roblox ready. So let's move on. Time to bring it into Roblox Studio. Open Roblox Studio, new project. Here select character. Let's just insert R15 rig type. Let it be a block avatar. Let's move it somewhere. And that's where we are going to apply our new animation. Make sure your project is saved to Roblox. You need to go to File and Save to Roblox. So your experience needs to be published to Roblox. Here it is. Now it's time to use the generated animation. You need to select your rig and go to Avatar Animation. We need to open this Avatar Animation panel. Here we have 3 dots. We need to click Import from FBX Animation and then select the animation that we just exported from Blender, this fixed version. Now, as you can see, animation is loaded, and if I run it, you will see this hook. Nice. And now we are going to export and publish it to Roblox. You can do it by clicking these 3 dots, publish to Roblox, then just need to name it hook animation full. So I'm going to create 2 versions of this animation. First is full version where we published it as is, and the second version will be only top part animated. So I'm going to exclude bottom part, like moving legs and from this animation. So I'm going to select left upper leg and delete the track, and the same for left lower leg, the same for right upper leg, and the same for right lower leg. So what I just did, I excluded the animation for lower parts of my legs, should remain not animated. And if I reselect animation and click play, you will see that my legs are animated but not moving. Only the top part is animated. And I will show you later why I did this. And I'm going to export this second animation, publish it to Roblox as well. And I will name it upper body. When you click save, make sure you copy this identifier. It will also be needed in the future. And that's it, your Mixamo animation is now officially in Roblox, but we are not done yet. Let's make it actually do something. Just one note, if for some reason you lost the uploaded published animation, you always can go to create.roblox.com and here go to creations, development items and animations. And here you can see all this published animation that you just uploaded. And here you have 3 dots, you can click on it and copy asset ID. So if for some reason you lost asset ID, you can find it here. In this step, we are going to make the animation actually play when we press a key, specifically the F key. What we need to do for this? Let's first create our local script. You need to do it in our starter player scripts folder. So here we need to create a local script and paste the content that you can find by the link in the description, or it will also be in our Discord channel. This is the code that makes our animation running by clicking F button. All we need to do here is to replace this identifier. We need to use identifier of the animation we uploaded to Roblox. Now I just need to play this experience, and when I click F, it should animate the hook. The only problem with this animation, as you can see, so when I move and click F, my legs looks corrupted. And for this reason, we created this second animation where I animated only upper part of my body. So let's go back to our script and change the identifier of the animation to use this upper body animated animation. Copy asset ID. Let's replace it. So now when I start and click, as you can see, I can move my legs, continue moving, and my hook works perfectly. And that's it. So you just learned how to import Mixamo animations into Roblox, fill them with one simple Blender's tweak, trigger them with a key press, and separate upper body motion so your character can move and attack simultaneously. So you can grab your free R15 rig from our Discord channel. Also in the Discord you will find the script for this animation. Drop like, hit subscribe, and ring the bell, because in the next video we will go even further and learn how to create a simple game, simple fighting, using all these materials that we learned in previous videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious, stay creative, and keep playing.